I think I got everything. DSLR, GoPro, drone, spare batteries, tripod. Something I've forgotten though. Something, what is it? Kevin! Oh no, got him after all. Kevin the carrot from the Aldi's advert. He's coming with me on this Christmas. Roll the intro. And greetings, fellow adventurers. Now I'm on a mission today. I was watching a YouTube video the other day, and there was this lovely walk to this 3-metre high waterfall, and I thought, well, I quite fancy that. So I thought, well, let's see whereabouts I've got to go for that. It's got to be the Brecon Beacons or somewhere like that, surely. And you know, I was surprised because it's a 20-minute drive from where I live in Bristol. It's in a small village called Stoke, near a bigger village called Magna, in, I suppose this is Somerset, North Somerset. So I'm going to get my boots on and let's go. In this village, even though you've got this pretty little stream here, look at this stick thing there. That shows the water level. So when we get a lot of rain, this can rise very fast. And this will let people coming down the hill know how deep it is. Because what happens is that some people think they're going to make it through, drive through, and cars have been swept away before now. Come back a second time and choose Stoke, because the first time I had some shots ruined. So I'll come back to film again, and you can see from the rain that the ford is now completely full of water. So I don't know if we're going to make it to the waterfall or what. I'm completely lost at the moment, trying to find my way around this village. Never been here before. It's quite difficult. Got to keep consulting my GPS just to find out where I am. I'm hoping there'll be a signpost of some kind. Ah, so nice about in the fresh air and a nice fresh smell of horse shit. Countryside, eh? That's what I call a nice house. Right, I think I'm on the right track, heading towards a church. I looked on the map, I'm hoping this is the right way. There's no signpost of any kind at the moment, so I could be in the totally wrong direction. It says this lamp was erected by public subscription to commemorate the Jubilee of Queen Victoria in 1897. Wow. Just going to take a quick look at the church up here a minute. Anyway, back to trying to find this waterfall. Come on. I put my walking boots on because I didn't know what to expect, but we haven't had that much rain really recently, so I think it'd probably not be too bad. The trouble is, might not be much water going over the falls. What's that over there? In the trees. Ah. It's like some sort of farmyard machinery or something, abandoned. I'm stuck in the bloody trees now. Right, let's get on the way. Well, I asked some people just now if I was on the right track, and they said I was. They said it's about a 10-minute walk. Well, 10 minutes if you walk in one go, but if you keep stopping to film like I am, it's going to be considerably longer. So I better get a move on. But it's a glorious November day, a little bit of wind about, so I'm hoping I'll be able to fly the drone when we get there and show you the full beauty of this area. Okay, I've come to a no public right of way sign, so it's a bit more muddy on the ground now, and I don't really want to slip because one side brambles, the other side barbed wire, so that won't be very good, will it, if I slipped? So if I go short foot I won't slip. Only joking, only joking. Right, let's go. I haven't seen anyone at all, but there was lots of cars parked back by the church, so I take it they was all doing the walk, unless they're all in the church or something, perhaps. Might be something like that. Right, over the bridge. Okay, this little note here says, please note the permissive path around the waterfall occasionally will be closed for private events and regeneration of nature. Thanks. And there's a little map. Oh, I don't understand. You're here. Okay, so it's a bit further, basically. That's what it's telling me. I hate these kind of shots. I've got to keep coming back and getting you. Come on. I can hear water, so I'm guessing that's going to be it. And lo and behold, oh shit, there it is. Now, move around a bit and just try and get some varying shots. I can't see it quite clear from me. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Look at this. Rubbish. I'm surprised there's no photographers here, to be honest, because there's lots of leaves on the ground. I don't want to go down too far because I don't want to slip and fall and break my neck, you know what I'm like. So, I think I'm just going to follow this path. I'm going to have to take my coat off. It's quite warm actually now. I'm a bit stuck a minute. I'm just going to try and get across here. No, I'm not. I'm going to turn back because I just know I'm going to slip and fall. Stuck now. Crikey. I get myself into bloody pickles, don't I? Now I'm back at the falls. You can really see the difference from last time. If you compare the two shots, last time there's virtually nothing going over the edge, but since in the last few weeks we've had so much rain. I wish I bought my camera and tripod now, really. I've got some nice steel for that. Another time perhaps. I felt like a child again there. Right, let's get back down. Christmas holly. Holly and the ivy, there's something something, and a three French friends who, so I don't know the song. Okay, I'm heading on back now, and I'll leave you with a few drone shots to finish off of this lovely area. Well, it won't be the very finish because on the way back I'll visit a fairy tale cottage. On my drive back home, I passed this lovely little cottage here. Look, it's like a real fairy tale cottage. Unfortunately, it's not in the best position, being on this triangle of land with a main road going right through it. Entrance to the front door is just here, but look, it's right on the main road. Very tricky. As you can see from the sign, someone's recently bought it. Don't know where he parked the car. Well, I enjoyed that. That was pretty good, actually. It wasn't too far to drive. See you next time.